Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make an alarm clock for your American Girl doll. So what you'll need is some glue. I'm using liquid glue, but you can use a glue stick, an index card, some tape, scissors, and the printout from printmany.com. So yeah, so what you're going to do is print out the image from printmany.com and glue it under cardstock and cut that out, and I've already done that, and then you want to fold it on the lines. So just fold it, like so. Okay. Okay, and so just fold it on all the lines. And okay, so once you have it folded on all of the lines, it should be kind of like a box shape like this, and you want to take glue or tape and just glue the tabs on the sides in. A little bit of glue or tape, it doesn't matter. Okay. So you just want to glue that small tab in, or tape. I'm gonna take a piece of tape, because it'll work better, or you can glue it, it doesn't matter like I said, but just take it and tape it together. Like this, and okay. So when it's done, it will look like this, and you're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.